Hello moneymakers. Making money with YouTube is the easiest business to start. People literally make $10,000 a month with mystery channels by just using generative AI. Take a look at this channel. They have around 2 million subscribers and they are making up to 10K per month easily. So why don't you do it? Do you know even Elon Musk create content? Yes, that's right. He posts consistently on Twitter, but why? Why a billionaire like him need to create content? The answer is the power of social media. It's not just about money, it's about influence and power too. I always share new niche to help you kickstart your business without asking to pay for anything, and trust me, this knowledge is worth more than $500, as there are many gurus who sell this information on a course. I will teach you how to find topic idea, create engaging scripts, generate voiceovers, and how to edit videos as well. Let's get some light snacks and settle down to watch this video till the end. Let's start creating a video. As usual, I will show you everything step by step in detail. In the end, I will also show you the video which we have created as a reference, hence stay tuned. Step 1. Generating video ideas. I know you all must be wondering how to find topics for such a unique niche. But don't worry, you won't need to spend hours researching for new topic ideas. AI will handle all of that for us. So open ChatGPT and ask, "Give me a list of 20 unsolved mysteries." And there you go. Your 20 video ideas are ready. Alternatively, you can also search on Google as well. Search unsolved mysteries, and you will find many unsolved mystery topics from there. Just to show you the process, I'm going to create a video on this topic, Ghost Ship, the Mary Celeste. Alright, we now have video ideas, so let's generate an engaging script for our video. Step 2. Generating scripts. After finding the topic, all you have to do is do some research about that mystery. It will help you in writing an amazing script. Paste your topic on Google, and you will find many YouTube videos and articles related to that mystery. Now open 2 or 3 articles in another tab. Copy the main highlights from all the articles and paste it in Google Docs. Now open ChatGPT and ask, "I want to create a YouTube video channel in the mystery niche. Could you please provide me with a 1,000-word script for my video on the mystery of the Mary Celeste?" I will provide you with some article information for your reference, and paste the information which you collect in Google Docs. And there it is. ChatGPT provides a perfect script for the video. So our script is ready. I will suggest you not to use this script as it is, and try editing it to make it more original. Now we want a voiceover for our video. To do this, head to 11 Labs. Click on Voice and open the voice library. Choose Narrative and Story from these options. Click on the filter and choose Male, Age, and Accent. Try different voices and choose the deep narrative voice among them. Once you are finalized, add the voice into the voice lab. Now paste the script and hit Generate. You can also make some changes as per your requirement from the settings. I will use a professional voice, and it sounds like this.
On the morning of December 5th, 1872, a mysterious sight greeted the crew of the British brig DEI Gratia.
Perfect, let's download this. Now we need to create a video. There are 2 methods to create. First, you can create a video using original images, stock footage, and with original video clip, which is available from any social media platform. And in the second method, you can generate related images and videos with the help of AI, which looks more interesting. If you follow the second method, you will get more average view duration. Thus, YouTube will push your video more to new people. Also, it helps to stand out amongst the other channels too. That's why I will suggest creating a video with AI animation. However, you can also combine both methods. That means you can use original images and use AI as and when required. Alright, so now I'm going to create a video with AI animation, and for this first, we need to generate images related to our script. Step 4. Generating images. Again, let's go back to the ChatGPT. Write an image generation prompt for each line of the story. I would suggest to provide 1 paragraph at a time to ChatGPT for the accurate prompts on each image. Alright, now we have prompts for the complete script. Now open any image generator tool. I will use Ideogram AI for this process. Instead of this, you can also use the Midjourney or Leonardo AI too. Open Ideogram AI and sign in your account. Now paste the ChatGPT prompt and choose Cinematic for the image style. Then choose 16:9 ratio from here and hit Generate. As a result, you will get 4 images. Download the best 2 images. Now you must be wondering, why should we take 2 images? The answer is, we will use 1 image as it is, and we will use the other image to create a video using AI, which I will show in the later part of the video. Now copy the second prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. This way, continue the same process until you get the last image. Once you generate all the images, let's move to the next step. Step 5. Generating animated videos. This step brings your video quality to the next level, because still images are boring to watch, and people are less interested in viewing them. Therefore, let's generate video from the images which we created. You can use any AI tool of your choice. Try different tools and find one which is best. As of now, I will use Video AI. This tool gives you free 80 credits to use, signing your account and upload the image. And within a few seconds, you will get your video. One by one, upload all the images and generate the video. This is the result of this tool. Once you generate all the videos, download them and arrange it in a chronological order, so it will not mess up while in the editing process. Alright, almost we have all the materials for our video. The one last thing we need is cinematic background music. For this, open YouTube audio library and search for the cinematic background music. Choose one which suits on your video and download it on your computer. Now we have everything we need. So let's move forward to the last step. Before that, let me know in the comments as what topic would you pick for your first video. Step 6, editing. I will use CapCut for the same. Open CapCut and upload all the materials. Now drag the voiceover into the timeline. After that, one by one, add videos as per the voiceover. I already arranged my video into number-wise, so it will not take much time to choose. Moreover, if the video will not perfectly sync with audio, you can also change the speed from here. Or you can also add image between 2 videos. This way, one by one, add all the videos and images by listening the voiceover. After that, add animation to the images so it will add movement to the still images. Then click on transition and transition between each video and image. I like these smoke transitions, so let's add this. You can also add filters which suit your video. You have to play with them and then add it in your video. After that, generate subtitles for your video, which helps to increase the average view duration. Do not use funky fonts and colors. Try to choose simple and make it decent. At last, add the background music and decrease the volume. And that's it. Your video is ready to be uploaded. Click on export and download it on your computer. Now let's have a look to our video which we created. Before we proceed further, I would like to tell you that I am launching a community of enthusiastic creators, where we all can learn and help each other to grow. Let me know in the comments if you are excited about it. Alright, here is the reference video.
On the morning of December 5th, 1872, a mysterious sight greeted the crew of the British brig DEI Gratia. Adrift in the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean was a ship, her sails set, her course aimless. The ship's name? The Mary Celeste. But what made this scene truly eerie was that no one was aboard. The Mary Celeste had become a ghost ship. Her crew vanished without a trace. What happened to them? Today, we dive deep into one of the most enduring mysteries of maritime history, the mystery of the Mary Celeste. The Mary Celeste was not always known by this name. Originally christened as Amazon, she was built in 1860 in Spencer's Island, Nova Scotia. The ship had a troubled past, including the sudden death of her first captain and a series of accidents that followed her over the years. Despite these early misfortunes, she was eventually salvaged, refitted, and renamed the Mary Celeste.